Yes, hello guys. This is Sir Leo from the Philippines. Well, I just want to show you how to scroll your accounts. If you will receive the coins weekly. So the first thing to do, because I have already received my first weekly coins, I invested $1,000. I show you this. This is my second account. Of course, this is my. If you will see, there is free dag coins. Actually, it's 30 dag coins. I have scrolled the 15 coins yesterday. I have scrolled. I have remaining 15. So I just want to show you. This is a $1,000 account. Uh, it's this is the computation of that. This is the $1,000. Every week I have 30 coins free. So if I continue to scroll it, compound, it means compounding, uh, up to 8 months, I will receive 2,813 coins. So, when I join here, $1,000, you will receive 1,000 coins. So, as you can see, I will try to compound it. I will just type 15 DAG coins. And of course, in July 1, when the coins will be in CoinMarketCap, you can also withdraw the DAG coin. You can see here. And you can sell it right away. So this is passive, guys. So if you want to wait or just compound compound your coins, it's very easy. Okay, even you don't move, you will receive your coins, and depending on the price, you will receive. Okay, you this button will be, of course, will be available on July 1. You just type your coins here weekly, and then you can withdraw. Right now, I'm showing you how to compound. So, scroll coins. Are you sure? And they will ask you your secondary password, which I will type. This is the secondary password, scroll coins. Okay, as you can see, scroll coins, dag coins. So, if I continue doing this weekly, this is my potential coins up to how many. This is 69 weeks. So as you can see, in $1,000 account, which is this $1,000 account, I will receive total of 7,687. And also, if you have $100 also, and you can continue to compound weekly, as you can see here, the total computation in 8 months, in 35 weeks, will receive 281 coins. But if you decide to withdraw it weekly, you can decide. It's whatever you want. Okay? Okay. Thank you. And later I will show you, because I will show you how to withdraw. This is my first account. This is my first weekly income, $540. This is my top head, Leo Dream Team. The other one I showed you, this is my second account. Actually, the best, guys, here is to have multiple accounts. So, anyway, nice meeting you, and hope you understand my video presentation. Go, Leo Dream Team.